Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome to Seppi Food Channel. Today, I'm here with an amazing and delicious eggplant recipe. A simple yet fancy dish that you're absolutely going to love. So if you're an eggplant lover like me, make sure to stay with me until the end of this tutorial because we're about to create an unforgettable flavor. Let's get started with the ingredients. Slice the eggplants into even, thin rounds. Try not to cut them too thin or too thick so they cook through properly and keep a nice shape when frying. Place them in hot oil and fry patiently until they become fully golden and crispy. Once both sides are fried, transfer them onto a paper towel to remove the excess oil so the dish turns out lighter and tastier. After the eggplants are ready, take one onion, peel it, and finely dice it. Add the chopped onion to a pan with a small amount of oil and sauté it over low heat. Stir patiently until the onion becomes soft, the moisture evaporates, and it turns light golden. This step is very important because the better the onion is fried, the more flavorful and aromatic your dish will be. Once the onions turn golden, it's time to add the garlic. Take 4 cloves of garlic, peel them, and finely chop them. Add the chopped garlic to the onions and sauté them together. A short sauté is enough for the aroma of the garlic and onions to be released and fill the kitchen. Be careful not to overcook the garlic, as it can turn bitter. Once the onions and garlic are well sautéed and softened, you can add the meat to the mixture. Cook the meat over medium heat, stirring continuously until it changes color and is no longer raw. After a few minutes, add the spices and sauté again so their aroma is released and the meat becomes fully seasoned and flavorful. To enhance the flavor, dice 1 bell pepper and add it to the mixture. After adding it, sauté everything together for a few minutes until the bell pepper softens and blends well with the meat, onions, and garlic. Sautéing the bell pepper releases its aroma and adds a mild sweetness to the dish. At this stage, all the ingredients combine well and form the base of your dish's flavor. To give the dish a better color and richer flavor, you can add some tomato paste to the mixture. Sauté the tomato paste briefly with the other ingredients so its color deepens, the raw taste disappears, and the dish becomes more vibrant and delicious. You can also add a little tomato puree to the mixture to give the dish a fresher and more vibrant flavor. Let it cook with the other ingredients for a few minutes so everything blends well and the sauce becomes richer. Now it's time to prepare our delicious eggplant boats. First, arrange a layer of the fried eggplants in your dish so the base is fully covered. Then place a spoonful of the prepared meat mixture on each piece and spread it slightly to cover the eggplant. Finally, add some mozzarella cheese on top so it becomes melted and stretchy after baking. You can follow these steps exactly like I'm doing to assemble your eggplant boats. Now pour a mixture of tomato juice and tomato puree around the eggplants so they stay moist during baking and absorb more flavor. Place the dish in a preheated oven and let it cook for about 30 minutes until the cheese is fully melted, the ingredients are well combined, and the eggplant boats are completely ready. For garnish and extra flavor, finely chop some fresh parsley and sprinkle it over the eggplant boats at the end. The parsley not only makes the dish look more beautiful, but also adds a fresh aroma and a mild, pleasant taste. Now your delicious eggplant boats are ready to be served. Plate them up and enjoy the rich, flavorful taste of this beautiful dish. I hope you enjoy every bite. Enjoy its wonderful flavor and the beautiful presentation. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I hope you make this delicious dish at home and enjoy its amazing flavor. Enjoy your meal. For more videos, subscribe to the Seppi Food channel and travel with me to the delicious world of food, where every bite is an experience and every plate tells a story.